Hello and welcome to Porter's RV Sales, here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina. Today we're excited to present a beautiful 2018 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 40X, a 41-foot luxury diesel pusher with only 36,000 miles. This coach is built in the very popular 40X floor plan, featuring 3 huge slide-outs, a king bed in the rear master, 2 sleeper sofas up front, and sleeping for up to 6. It's finished in Holiday Rambler's striking full-body Vanadium paint package. Let's take a complete walk-around and interior tour of this outstanding coach. Starting on the exterior, the Endeavor 40X rides on a heavy-duty Freightliner XCM chassis with full air ride suspension and full air brakes for a smooth, confident ride. Power comes from a Cummins ISL9 diesel engine, producing 380 horsepower and 1,150 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifter. An Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator provides reliable off-grid power. It sits on brand new 2024 Pirelli tires all the way around. Storage is excellent, with full pass-through basement compartments and slide-out storage trays for easy access to all your gear. You'll also find an exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV and soundbar, power patio awning, power door awning, and slide toppers on all 3 slides. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch is ready for towing, and a 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling system with touchpad controls makes setup fast and simple. Rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor are included for safety and convenience. This coach is equipped with 3 roof-mounted air conditioners with heat pumps, 50-amp service with extension cord, a Magnum inverter charger, battery disconnects, and a Dirt Devil central vacuum system throughout the interior. Let's step inside where the 3 large slide-outs create an incredibly spacious and open floor plan. As you enter, you'll find a front dining area with a table dinette and chairs, plus a 32-inch TV mounted above the front captain's seats. Just behind that is the full kitchen on the driver's side, featuring a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, a dishwasher drawer, electric induction cooktop, microwave convection oven, and a large residential sink with high-rise faucet. The middle living area is designed for comfort and entertaining, with a large pull-out sleeper sofa, an L-shaped sectional jackknife sofa, and a 40-inch TV with soundbar. With both sofas converted, plus the king bed, this coach truly sleeps up to 6. The private bathroom is huge and features an oversized shower enclosure with glass doors and skylight, toilet, sink with vanity, and a power vent fan. At the rear of the coach is the master bedroom with a walk-around king bed, a 32-inch TV, wardrobe closet, plenty of drawer storage, and a stackable washer and dryer already installed and ready for full-time use. To recap the major features: 41 feet with 3 slide-outs, 380 horsepower Cummins ISL9, only 36,000 miles, brand new 2024 Pirelli tires, dishwasher, stackable washer-dryer, 2 sleeper sofas, king bed, exterior entertainment center, central vacuum, and the beautiful Vanadium full-body paint. Imagine pulling into your favorite campground or resort, leveling with the touch of a button, extending the power awnings, and relaxing in the spacious living area with the 40-inch TV and soundbar. Prepare meals in the full residential kitchen, complete with dishwasher and induction cooktop. Then retreat to the king bed master suite with your own washer and dryer. This Endeavor truly offers everything for extended or full-time travel. Let's take another look at some of the exterior highlights. The pass-through basement storage with slide-out trays makes packing and unpacking effortless, and the exterior entertainment center is perfect for outdoor movie nights or watching the big game. The power patio awning and door awning provide plenty of shade and protection from the elements. Back inside, the living area really opens up when all 3 slide-outs are extended. The combination of the L-shaped sectional, pull-out sofa, and large TV creates multiple comfortable seating zones for family or guests. The kitchen layout is excellent for serious cooking, with the residential refrigerator, dishwasher, induction cooktop, and convection microwave all within easy reach. The dinette provides a perfect spot for meals or planning the day's adventures. The oversized private bathroom with the large glass door shower and skylight feels more like a home than an RV. And having a stackable washer and dryer in the master bedroom means you can truly live on the road without compromise. This 2018 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 40X combines luxury, practicality, and only 36,000 gently driven miles. With the Cummins power, Freightliner chassis, updated tires, and every residential amenity, it's ready for many more years of adventure. If you've been searching for a clean, low-mileage, 3-slide diesel pusher with a king bed, 2 sleeper sofas, dishwasher, washer-dryer, and full-body paint, this is the coach you've been waiting for. Give us a call today at 864-260-9276. Email sales@portersrvsales.com or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule your personal walkthrough. The Porters RV sales team is standing by and ready to help you make this beautiful 2018 Endeavor 40X yours. Thank you for joining us for this complete 15-minute tour of the 2018 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 40X. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications on our YouTube channel for more premium diesel pusher walkarounds. We look forward to seeing you soon at Porters RV Sales, where your next journey begins.